Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Now, as the title says, the channel has reached 20,000 subscribers, hitting yet another milestone. So I wanted to thank all of you who are viewing my content and commenting. A special thank you has to go to those who support my channel financially. And by that I mean patrons over at Patreon that donate money every time when I upload a video. And all those guys who did a one-time donation through PayPal. If you want to do the same, there are links to both my Patreon account and my PayPal account down in the description. However, you can help the watch financially without actually donating money by simply watching videos without the ad blocker, as watching the ads is how most YouTubers get revenue. And it's not a lot, but it does keep us going, and it doesn't cost you anything but 20 to 30 seconds of your time. Another special thank you has to go to Silvertime Watch Store that has been supplying me with watches ever since I started this channel, and also Portal Satova Watch Forum that allows me to post my content there, and all those members of that forum that have been sending me watches for reviews over the past year. Now, all you guys together make me keep going, even when I don't feel like it, when I get overwhelmed with my daily chores. But I do try to keep a constant upload, so I will have 2 uploads weekly. So every Wednesday and every Sunday at noon CET. I recently started uploading Fridays as well, but I don't find those mandatory. So sometimes you will have videos on Fridays and sometimes not, depending on whether I make it. Anyways, enough with that. Now with each milestone comes a giveaway, and this time you get to win the GW B5600 G-Shock. This is the new addition to the Square lineup, and this baby is solar, atomic, and Bluetooth enabled. So even if you guys live outside of the atomic tower coverage, you're going to have a self-charging and self-adjusting watch. I already did a review of this, so you might want to check that out. Now to win this watch, the giveaway is going to be done just like all the others before it. So all you have to do is subscribe if you haven't already, and click that little bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Also, you have to like this video and comment. All the comments published by Thursday, December 6th at noon CET will enter the draw. The draw itself is going to be on Sunday, December 9th at noon CET. Now, if your name gets pulled out, I will send you the watch at my own expense. So this is an international giveaway, and no matter where you live, you can participate, as I will send this anywhere in the world, like I said, at my own expense. And the only expense that you might get is import duties and taxes, if you get charged those. Well, that's it. So I wanted to thank you again, and good luck with the draw. Bye.